Alright buddies, welcome back. So we had one more position just before this live stream started and the levels were updated on our Telegram channel. The QR code is right there, you can just join in. And that was a good one. We reached both target 1 and target 2. Alright, so let's continue with the charts and let's see if there is another opportunity. All right. Right, so we do have one more opportunity here because if you see the 5 minutes charts, there is a liquidity sweep and it's reached that liquidity sweep level. Now we have to be a little careful. It could just eat down all the sellers that are coming in fresh and it could go up also. So this is only for the risky traders who want to take a risk. The entry is right now happening right now 3972 से अब सेल एंटर कर सकते हैं. स्टॉप लॉस 3982 पर लगा के 3972 और 3975 के बीच में एंट्री ले सकते हैं सेल साइड के लिए. $3972 $3975 के बीच में अभी भी चल रहा है सेल एंट्री. यू कैन टेक अ सेल एंट्री राइट नाउ and okay, the entry is active. 3972 से सेल एंट्री एक्टिव हो चुका है क्योंकि 1 मिनट कैंडल में रिवर्सल आ गया. वी गॉट अ रिवर्सल ऑफ द 1 मिनट कैंडल. सो दोज हू कैन एंटर नाउ at 3972. The first target could be 3969. The second target could be 3963. Please be careful with your stop losses because this trade is a little extra risky trade, क्योंकि trend line break हो चुका है towards the buy side, but we are taking a sell because there is a liquidity sweep level at 3972 and 3975 के बीच में. there is a liquidity level जो उसको sweep करके और नीचे आना चाहिए, because there is a bigger liquidity at around 3960 and 3950 जो अभी तक नहीं reach हुआ. so we are going for the sell side. 3972 sell. अभी भी those who have not entered can enter right now also. Entry is active 3972 and let's wait for at least the first target price 3969 पहला target है. Let's wait and see what happens. And after it reaches the first target of 3969, partial profits should be booked. Partial profits book करना ही होगा. 3972 sell, 3969 first target, and you can trail the stop loss after it's reaching the first target price until it reaches the second target of 3964 or 3960. Let's keep watching the charts. It's still at around 3972 and 73. Those who missed an entry can enter now for the sell side. Those who did not enter can enter now also at 3977. That's a really good entry point. जो एंट्री मिस हुआ अभी भी एंट्री ले सकते हैं। 3975 अच्छी एंट्री है। स्टॉप लॉस तो 3982 का लेवल ही है, सो यू कैन एंटर नाउ ऑल्सो। 3975 3972 के बीच में एंटर कर सकते हैं सेल के लिए। एंड जो ऑलरेडी पहला एंट्री किया, जब एंट्री किया इमीडिएटली टारगेट 1 रीच हुआ 3969 पे। लेकिन ट्रेड अभी भी एक्टिव है। दोज हु स्टिल वांट टू एंटर कैन एंटर नाउ। And those who want to check the earlier entry that we have given before this live stream, ऊपर जो QR code है, you can join the Telegram channel and you can check the earlier. That was a buy signal that we gave and we reached both the targets in that. So let's keep watching the charts. Those are still in the trade. You can see that it's in our entry zone. 3972 और 75 के बीच में एंट्री हुआ था अभी भी एक्टिव चल रहा है, लेट्स सी। You can always be ready to book your partial profits as and when it reaches 3969 change. Always be ready to book the profits क्योंकि volatility आज ज़्यादा है, so it's more volatile. It can sweep liquidity on both sides suddenly. So always book partial profits at the first target, which is 3969. Let's keep watching the charts. Those are still watching the charts, who have already booked the first target. We have reached the first target already as soon as the signal was given at 3969. So we've reached the first target already. Those are still continuing. I hope you guys have already booked your partial profits and are waiting only for the second target with cost to cost, stop loss at entry. those who are still in the trade, अभी भी चल रहा है रेट 3970 एंड इफ इट कम्स टू 3969 जो हमारा फर्स्ट टारगेट है, you have to book your profits, partial profits, and so make sure you book your profits. It's at around 3970 now. You can book your profits, partial profits. Or those who are safe traders who are looking only for the first target, book your targets when it's reaching 3969. It's almost there, just one more point down and it will reach 3969. Be ready to book your targets. Those who are safe traders and those who are risky traders, make sure you're going to book your profits partially, and with a trailing stop loss, go for the second target, which is at around 3962. जो सेफ ट्रेडर्स है अभी 3970 एंड हाफ चल रहा है. व्हेन इट रीचेस 3969 आप टारगेट 1 पे एग्जिट कर सकते हैं प्रॉफिट लेके. जो रिस्की ट्रेडर्स है पार्शियल प्रॉफिट बुक करना है 3969 पे जो हमारा टारगेट बने, एंड ट्रेलिंग स्टॉप लॉस लगा के सेकेंड टारगेट के लिए वेट कर सकते हैं जो रिस्की ट्रेडर्स है. सेफ ट्रेडर्स प्रॉफिट बुक करना है 3969 पे. इट हैज रीच्ड द फर्स्ट टारगेट. जो अभी भी ट्रेड में अभी भी चल रहा है 3969.6 पे है. सो इट हैज़ रीच्ड अ फर्स्ट टारगेट. जो सेफ ट्रेडर्स है प्रॉफिट बुक करना ही होगा. अभी प्रॉफिट बुक करो और एग्जिट करो. एंड जो रिस्की ट्रेडर्स है पार्शियल प्रॉफिट्स बुक करके स्टॉप लॉस को ट्रेल करके यू कैन टारगेट टू 3962 के लिए वेट कर सकते हैं. दोज हु आर रिस्क ट्रेडर्स you can put your stop loss on a trailing level based on your entries and wait for the second target, but after booking partial profits at the current level, which is our first target, because we've reached the first target at 3969. Safe traders exit, book your targets and exit. So we have reached our first target of 3969 two times. I hope everyone's booked their profits and those who have booked can exit. हमारा जो फर्स्ट टारगेट था 3969 दो बार हिट हो चुका है. So book your profits and let's wait for the next trade. I hope everyone's booked their target. We have reached the first target 3969 two times, so I hope everyone's booked their target and we'll wait for the next fresh opportunity. Let's watch the charts. Okay, I hope everyone's watching the charts. We had one successful trade, just got out of the trade. We reached first target two times and we're looking for another trade. हो सकता है अभी और एक ट्रेड दे सकता है, पॉसिबिलिटी है और एक पोजीशन के लिए। लेट्स सी, क्योंकि इधर 3982 अभी भी जो चल रहा है रेट 3982, उधर एक ऑर्डर फ्लो बाकी है एंड 3987 पे भी है। सो देयर इज अ लिक्विडिटी एरिया एट 3987 एंड 3982। लेट्स सी हाउ द मार्केट रिएक्ट्स। I hope everyone's observing the charts. There was a little bit of a liquidity area, pending order books at 3981 and a half, 3982. It's crossed it, and there's another liquidity area with a lot of pending orders at 3986 and 87. So let's see the market, how it behaves and how it reacts over there. I hope everyone's watching the charts. You can see the volatility and the sweeping actually. Liquidity just sweep कर रहा है. You can see in these wicks, जो कैंडल में टेल होता है ना, wicks, उसमें ही दिखा सकते हैं कि लिक्विडिटी का स्वीप कैसा चल रहा है. So let's not enter now, let's just wait, क्योंकि उधर ऊपर जो 3984 पे लिक्विडिटी स्वीप हुआ, वापस उधर जा सकते हैं और ऊपर भी जा सकते हैं, क्योंकि 87, 86 और 88 उसी लेवल्स में और एक स्वीपिंग liquidity sweep का range है और एक range है. So let's just wait and watch, because it's just completed a sweep of a liquidity level at 8.3, but there's another stronger order flow book, pending order flow, and liquidity level at 3987. So let's wait. And those who have booked can exit. अभी भी लिक्विडिटी स्वीप चल रहा है. Liquidity sweep is just still going on. Yes, the liquidity sweep is still going on. It's back at 3982. It could go to 3984, 87 also. So let's keep watching. So let's understand, so we can understand how the candles are behaving over here. Okay, I hope everyone's watching the charts. You can see a clear rejection candle in the 5 minutes charts. So let's get ready for another entry. Alright, so we can enter at current levels 3978 and 3980. Between those levels we can enter with a stop loss of at 3986. We're putting a little lesser stop loss here. And we'll go for the first target at around 3974. So we are taking this entry based on the 15 minutes rejection wick candle and the 5 minutes candle which is given a proper downtrend. Possibility, there could be a possibility that it could hit the stop loss, but this is a high probability trade for us to get into a sell side. So let's wait and watch. Who's taken the entry? Let you just ping it on the chat. Whoever is taking the entry, you can enter now also. 3978 अभी भी चल रहा है, entry active है. 40 pips का first target है. SL is at 3987. Let's wait and see. So we are taking this entry based on the 15 minutes rejection wick candle and the 5 minutes candle which is given a proper downtrend. Possibility, there could be a possibility that it could hit the stop loss, but this is a high probability trade for us to get into a sell side. So let's wait and watch. Who's taken the entry? Let you just ping it on the chat. Whoever is taking the entry, you can enter now also. 3978 अभी भी चल रहा है, entry active है. 40 pips का first target है. SL is at 3987. Let's wait and see. Alright, we're still waiting on the charts, watching the charts. Those who have entered 3978, target was target 3974 पे है. The first target is at 3974, so almost there. 3975 पे है. Make sure that you book your targets at 3974. 3975, come on. Yes, 3974.9 में चल रहा है. Safe traders, book your targets, and those who are risk traders, book your partial profits. For the second trade, for second target, you can put it at 3972 or 3970. We've reached the first target, guys. We've reached the first target. Book your targets. Yes, we've reached the first target. सभी ने बुक किया होगा प्रॉफिट्स को. फर्स्ट टारगेट रीच हुआ. 3973 भी चल रहा है अभी. So book your profits. Everyone book your profits. This is the second successful trade we had today within this particular live session in the last 1 hour. Those are risk traders. Book your partial profits. Right now, book your partial profits, and with a trailing stop loss, you can hold until the second target of 3972 or 3970.
You don't need to escape to a resort anymore. Now you can own a fully
सभी ने बुक किया होगा. फर्स्ट टारगेट रीच हुआ है 3974. आई होप एवरीवन्स बुक द टारगेट्स एट फर्स्ट टारगेट 3974. Only those who are risk traders and who have already booked partial profits can hold on for the second target at around 3972. Otherwise, we've already reached the first target and we've completed the trade. This is the second trade that we reached the targets in this particular live stream session in the last 1 hour. Okay, those who are risk traders and are still holding on, we are already at 3972, the second target. Yes, you can book the profits. Those who are waiting for the second target, we have reached 3972, you can book the profits. Alright, so we had 2 successful trades in this session. We're going to come back for the next live session in some more time. See you guys.